Why Dogecoin can reach $50 per coin. Welcome to our channel, and if you don't want to miss out on our new videos, please subscribe. This information is provided solely for educational reasons and is not intended to be taken as investment advice. In many regions of the world, Dogecoin will outperform Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum as the most popular cryptocurrency in 2021. ETH. Why? Because, unlike most of the cryptocurrency industry, Dogecoin is a lot of fun to use and has the most social media followers of any cryptocurrency. Doge reached an all-time high of $0.7376 on May 8, just as the crypto market was plummeting, thanks to its triumph in 2021. For a brief period, it even entered the top 10 cryptos by market capitalization. Investors in Dogecoin are already speculating on how far the cryptocurrency could rise. Is Dogecoin a solid investment in 2022 and beyond, or is it merely a passing fad? Doge will hit 45 cents by the end of 2022, $1.80 by the end of 2023, and $7.30 by the end of 2025, according to our long-term Dogecoin price predictions. In 2027, Dogecoin will be worth $17.50, and in 2030, it will be worth $50. In a world where smart contract platforms and DeFi are becoming more common, Dogecoin is also a lot easier to understand for regular customers. Decentralized Finance. Dogecoin's goal is to make transactions easier, not to completely restructure our financial system. Dogecoin is one of the oldest altcoins on the market, having been operating for almost 10 years, even outdating Ethereum. Dogecoin has generated a plethora of spin-off currencies, the most notable of which being the highly volatile Shiba Inu, SHIB, which is still Dogecoin's main rival. Why is Dogecoin so popular? The rise of Dogecoin is due to its amusement value. It's been running for almost a decade and is the best cryptocurrency joke ever. Because of its wit, Dogecoin has been able to attract a larger audience than more serious investments. Boring, as of 2022. Approximately 4 million people hold Dogecoin. Dogecoin has gotten a lot of positive press online, especially from Elon Musk, who is a Doge specialist. It's his favorite cryptocurrency, and has 63 million Twitter followers, making him one of the cryptocurrency's most outspoken supporters. Musk is likely to have introduced Dogecoin to many Doge owners. Consider liking, sharing, subscribing, and leaving a comment in the box below.